So part of the reason I didn't get much recorded yesterday is yesterday's video took, and I'm not kidding, about 6 hours to upload out here. So I had my phone sitting in a place where it got good signal, trying to get the video uploaded. Last night though, we got our new cell signal booster kit and hooked it up. Now, the video we uploaded today was considerably shorter, but when this thing was on and my phone was near the receiver here, I think it just took me, what, 2 minutes to upload a video? I mean, that video yesterday probably would have taken 15. So hopefully now that my phone won't be taken hostage all day trying to upload a video, we can get some more footage for you today. So we're going to set the injectors and valves this morning. Dad went ahead and got the valve covers off the motor. I got the muffler unbolted here and released the clamp on the bottom that holds it to the two pipes, so we can get a socket on the cam gear so we can turn the engine over. So that's an 1.5 inch socket that the outside edge has been ground down, so an 1 3/16 wrench will grab it. So less clearance than trying to get a 3/4 drive or 1/2 inch drive in there, but now that's in there, we should be able to turn the engine over with it so we can get this all set up.
That's the no-go. It's going just fine. So this one was off. This one's off just a little bit, but it is off. This one was way off, and that one was good. Which explains why the engine wasn't running really smooth. It was running a little bit rough. I could see a vibration. I had a glass of water up front yesterday, and I could see the ripples in it, but it wasn't running smooth. I mean, I could hear it, but that was a sign. Go. Going. That's my go. Good. Nice. Well, that's not good.
What's it at, almost?
1.494.
That is way out. Is this advanced timing or standard?
At this point, I'm going to say it's advanced timing.
1484?
Yeah. Because there's no way it's that far off. It's not smoking horribly.
Do you want to check another one just to be sure that we're in the ballpark, not near 1460?
Yeah, hang on, let me get a pin too, just in case there's something wrong with this thing.
Is it right?
So it's way below 1.46, or it's way above 1.460. So
yeah. So we've got it up in the air. We've got the wheels off. The parking brake drum needs to come off so we can get the flange off to replace the seal behind it, but it hits the airbag. So the airbag needs to come off. The mounting plate below it has a cut in it, so that will clear and come off. So we're going to block the body right now, get everything set so we can release air pressure on the bags, and then get that airbag out of the way. So the leveling valve is disconnected. I'm holding it down right now so it bleeds pressure out of these bags. The axle's blocked, the body's blocked, there are jacks under there. I'm not in any danger of this thing falling on me right now. I'm just going to keep sitting here and releasing air pressure until the bags are loosened up. We're going to take the bottom plate off on that back one there and try just to slide the bottom of the bag out of the way so we can get that brake drum all the way out of there.